guys, this is me sharing with you my story, how something ruined my life. Everybody have one big challenge he or she is facing in his life. If you are really interested in listening to my life, how things change and how I was suffering from addiction, and this addiction is not something that you can quit easy. You will realize that what you are addicted to is really ruining your life. But how to quit is not easy as you may think. I tried my possible best to quit. A lot of setbacks, a lot of things happened. I couldn't really quit. Why? All because I will quit. I will try and quit for some months. The eager will come. If it hits me hard, I will do it. What am I talking about? I'm talking about this porn addiction. If you are really addicted, or if you are being addicted to these kind of things, please watch this video and listen to me, how I overcome it. A lot of people are suffering from porn and masturbation. I'm not the only one who is a victim. And the main problem is they are afraid to tell people about what they are facing. Let's assume, or let's say, you are addicted to cigarettes. You hide and smoke. Nobody knows that you smoke. And you really want to quit. You're supposed to go to someone and tell the person what you are facing. The person can give you or could give you some thoughts that will help you. What I mean is, if you are addicted to something which you are fighting the thing silently, only you knows about what you are facing, then you need to tell someone so that the thing is not going to be something hidden again. If the person exposed the thing to public, my brother, my sister, it means the person is really trying to help you. Please believe me, if you keep this kind of addiction to yourself, you're not going to heal from it. If you have a brother, a sister, mother, or even your father, you can tell the person that this is what you're facing. It's not what you want, and you really want to quit. So they should help you. They should check on you each and every day. And trust me, it's really going to help you quit this kind of addiction like porn and masturbation. If you are addicted to this kind of things, videos, I bet you it's very, very difficult to quit. You can quit and come back again. So what are some of the things that will help you quit this masturbation and porn forever? You can quit, but you can't just quit straightforward like that. It's a gradual process. You can try from 1 week, 2 weeks. You can try to stop for 1 week, 2 weeks, within a month, 3 months, something like that. It's a gradual process, and that's if you. And first of all, you need to make your mind that you don't want to do it again. And if you don't have a partner, you can look for one. So whenever the desire come or the eager come, you are going to do it with your partner. I'm talking to those who want to quit, please. And we have some things that can help you to quit forever, which is you yourself supposed to go to someone, a therapist, an elderly person, even your brother. Tell the person what you're going through. Some people think it's a spiritual thing. That's what first I thought. I also think it's a spiritual, but I can see myself that it's something that I need to fight myself. It's not spiritual, because when you are addicted to something, it's very, very difficult to quit. Not easy to quit. So if you didn't try, if you didn't give it your all, my brother, my sister, you are not going to win. So it's a battle. Try to win. Thank you for watching my video. If you get this video right, thank you. If you didn't understand and you want to understand something, you can ask me in the comment section and I will be here to answer every question. Thank you. Bye bye.